Welcome back. In this session, I'm going to walk you through the process towards getting registered with Intel Developer Cloud, and also I will let you know how you can access the training materials which are available inside the Intel Developer Cloud, and the easiest way to launch the Jupyter Notebook through Intel Developer Cloud will also be presented. First step is to get yourself registered for an access with Intel Developer Cloud, and for that you need to go to console.cloud.intel.com. I have given this detail in the description as well so that you will not have any problem in identifying this link. console.cloud.intel.com. The moment you get into this page, you will have an option to sign in or create an account. If you have already created an account, you can sign in with the email ID and password which you have already given. If you are yet to create an account, just click create an account and it will take you to this page where you will have to fill in certain mandatory information like the email ID, first name, last name, language, country, region you belong to, and the password. Please select the password as appropriately, and most importantly, you click verify your email once you have given all this information. You will get an email in seconds which will let you verify your registration process, and that's it. You are all free to go and you can now sign in with the email ID which you have. Now you can see that I have given an email ID with which I have registered, and you can type the password if you remember it. Otherwise, you can request for the single use passcode. The moment you click this, you will get a single use passcode and with which you can log in easily. Just click single use passcode and it will let you generate the single use passcode for you and give it here, and that's it. You will be into the Intel Developer Cloud console. And once you log in, you will get into this console homepage where you can see a lot of information which is very interesting. You can get to know the hardware catalog details where you will see the available options for you to access the resources. And once you come back to home, you also have software catalog, which will be updated shortly. And you have training and workshop options here, which you need to click now. And there your learning will start. You can see that we have got a lot of learning materials available with AI and C SYCL. For an instance, I'm going to walk you through machine learning using oneAPI, where you can click that to understand what are all the topics that are covered in this training material that is provided. And there is an option for you to launch Jupyter Notebook. Just click that launch Jupyter Notebook option. It will launch the training for you, and Jupyter Notebook will be available for you with all necessary prerequisites properly done already for you, and you can start learning the content in seconds. You can see that all these are preloaded for you. The training materials and modules are available. Each of these module will have a proper PPT for you, which will train you with the content that is connected to that particular module. You can scroll through it, you can learn it at your comfort. And most importantly, you also will have an IPYNB file which you can use to learn, practically try out things. And you have the option to select kernels as well. You can see that we have got kernels updated here, and you can select the kernel whichever you want and you can try learning. Most of you would be already familiar with the Jupyter Notebook, and the same is integrated here, and you will be learning things in a much faster and a easier way here. Each of these cells can be run with this button. There is a run option here. You can run the entire file as well. You can go cell by cell. All these options are pretty much similar to whatever you have already learned, and these training materials are very well curated that you can understand, try out things and learn things with these. Now there is another option that we need to understand and explore. We can also go into expert mode where you can connect using an SSH key. When you click the launch using SSH key, you need to generate the key and the key name has to be given here. And how to create SSH key content is also provided here very clearly. If you have Windows machine, you can try this procedure. If you have Linux machine, just click onto Linux and the procedure is presented very clearly for you. So once this is done, you need to just copy paste the key here and say upload key. That's all. You can get connected to the expert mode through this option. So all these are very simple, and try it out, and I'm sure you will have a lot of learning and you will love this. I have given the complete procedure in the description also for you to understand and try out easily. If you have any questions, please reach us out. We'll be very happy to assist you. Thank you.